Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Dodge Avenger window. First, you need to accurately diagnose the problem. Determine if the issue lies with the window motor, the regulator, or the switch itself. Listen carefully for any grinding or clicking sounds when you press the window button. Also, use a multimeter to check for proper voltage at the motor's electrical connector. This initial step is crucial for a successful repair. Once you've diagnosed the problem, the next step is to gain access to the window's internal components. Begin by carefully removing the inner door panel. This usually involves unscrewing a few fasteners and gently prying the panel off. Disconnect all electrical connectors, especially those leading to the window switch. Then, unbolt the window glass from the regulator assembly, securing the glass in the up position with tape. Now it's time to replace the faulty part. If your diagnosis pointed to the motor or regulator, install the new assembly securely. Ensure all mounting bolts are tightened to specification. Carefully reconnect the window glass to the new regulator, making sure it's properly aligned. Before putting the door panel back on, perform a thorough test of the window's up and down movement. This confirms the repair is successful. With the new component installed and tested, you can now reassemble the door. Carefully reinstall the inner door panel, ensuring all clips and screws are in place. Don't forget to reconnect any electrical connectors you detached earlier. For optimal performance and longevity, lubricate the window tracks with a silicone-based spray. This helps ensure smooth, quiet operation for years to come. Also, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.